Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Brahma YouTube channel. My name is Ganesh. Today we are talking about something that's been super confusing for many people, that is MCP, Model Context Protocol. You have probably seen this buzzword everywhere in the AI platforms, but let's be honest, it sounds complicated and expensive and sometimes it is risky too. So let's break it down and see if you really need this MCP or your normal tools like Automation Anywhere, UiPath, or your N8N tools can handle the automation same like your MCPs. We will go very deeply into this topic in this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get first notification to you.
Hey, welcome back to the ai.brahma YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before your AI replaces you.
Okay, let's start simple. What is MCP stands for? It's Model Context Protocol. Think of it like translator between your AI model and your external tools like API. It tells you to your AI agent, hey, you don't need to know the code or API details, just call me whenever you require, I will handle for you. It's like having a smart middleman, but that middleman charge a fee. Now, here where it gets interesting. I built a simple tool in normal automation platform where I just added an argument as an input. Then I have added this tool into AI agent tool section. Then my AI agent picks up those input and execute the task, whether it is creating a Jira ticket or downloading a SAP report from SAP or anything else. So my agent already know where to share the data and how to share the data between the tools and when to share it without needing an MCP in the middle. So as per me, MCPs are better for non-technical people or maybe citizen developers, but for creators, developers, or companies like ours, tool-based AI agents are faster, cheaper, and more flexible. My honest take, MCP is an amazing innovation, but not for everyone. If you already have a tools like Automation Anywhere, UiPath, or N8N, I would recommend go and create a tool first and pass the argument as an input for your agent. Instead of paying extra for an MCP, you can build your own context aware AI agent safely, cost effectively, and fully control with you. Next time, if someone says you need MCP for this activity, just smile and say thanks, but my tool already talks smarter. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your automation friends. And don't forget to subscribe AI Brahma YouTube channel for more real world AI and automation insight. See you in the next one. Happy learning. Go be great.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before your AI replaces you.